I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect TradingView and MetaTrader 5. We'll explore the necessary steps and tools to bridge these powerful platforms, allowing you to execute trades directly from your TradingView charts. This guide will help you understand the process, from initial setup to successful trade execution, ensuring a smooth integration for your trading strategy. Many traders wish for a direct link between TradingView's advanced charting and MetaTrader 5's robust execution. However, TradingView does not offer native integration with MT5. This means you cannot simply log into your MT5 account from TradingView and place trades. Instead, we rely on intermediary solutions to facilitate this connection, translating signals between the two platforms. Since direct integration isn't available, bridging software becomes crucial. Tools like Meta Connector and Pine Connector act as intermediaries, receiving alerts from TradingView and sending corresponding trade commands to your MT5 terminal. These solutions often use webhooks to capture signals and expert advisors, or within MT5 to execute trades automatically, streamlining your workflow. To set up the connection, first, download and install your selected bridging software. Next, open MetaTrader 5, enable algorithmic trading, and attach the provided expert advisor to a chart. Finally, in TradingView, create your alerts and configure them to send signals via the webhook URL supplied by your bridging tool. Always test your setup with a small trade in a demo account before going live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.